preheat this thing. Oh yeah. How much for? Wait a second. I'll go check. Right here, $3.50.
No.
I said you guys can have my Cheetos.
Hey.
Beer. Beer? I don't think so.
It's actually
Alright. Don't lard it up so much. How many do we need? I don't know. We start at 2 right now.
Yeah. Slimy. Oh crap! What the heck is that?
It's maybe a
Those type of cookies won't.
It's maybe a.
Oh, they don't? Good. They won't spread out. That's good. I hate it when they spread out like that. Oh! I forgot to wash my hands. You. I said you. Okay.
The camera's like pointing at nothing.
Pointing at me.
Like I said, nothing.
Jerk.
Or whatever the heck you call it. Recorder, whatever.
Who's gonna help us too?
Bag of 4 chips.
This has been done before, but I don't care. I can't think of anything better, so too bad.
You make sure they're connected.
I'm trying.
You're trying.
There.
Oh crap, the battery's dying.
What?
See? It's a big mark.
What?
Put in the battery so you can wash your hands. Alright, hold on. I need more batteries.
Can you guys get out of the way?
Whoa.
Golly. We're just gonna bake some stupid cookies
just-
and you're
stop.
all in the way.